Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Jason, and on this channel we talk all things about stock market and investing. So if you find any value in this content, I would love for you to give this video a like so it helps out the algorithm and gives this information to new investors. And also, if you're new, welcome. I would love for you to subscribe and follow along on this journey while we make money together. It is free and you'll never miss an episode, so just click that big red subscribe button below. Today I'm going to be talking and diving into the NIO stock and giving my full bull analysis and price prediction for the end of 2021. I believe that NIO is going to hit the triple digits soon, and I can't wait to get into this video today. And I do believe that NIO will actually surpass an 8,000 vehicle delivery for January, moving into February per month in their vehicles being manufactured. And if we do see this growth every single month throughout the coming months of 2021, then we will see a massive explosion in that share price, moving into that triple digit range. So that is something that has really got me excited as an investor, because I want to 2 or 3x my money at the coming of every single opportunity that I get in the stock market. And this company has that potential. So guys, NIO has recently announced that it's going to be expanding globally into Europe. We're not quite sure where it's going to go, but we did find some new information after some digging that NIO is actually posting jobs right now on their LinkedIn for Oslo, Norway. Now, Norway is a massive EV market. Right now, they have a lot of technology that's going to help them be one of the leaders coming into Europe into the EV space. With NIO diving in their toes into Norway, I do think that they are going to do extremely well. Of course, investors are worried because, like any startup company, NIO has essentially got to restart up their company inside Europe. And right now they do not have a factory there, so they have to build it from the ground up. And this is why they have been going back to capital markets time and time again to raise that money. That's why they have done so many share offerings over the last 4 to 5 months. But of course, NIO are now sitting on $7 billion, and they have enough cash to last them for the coming years. I really believe that this is a company that you need to be aware of. They are going to be dominating the market moving forward. Right now, they are sitting in China on one of the biggest market caps in the world, 1.42 billion people. Guys, this market is absolutely massive, and China is only set to expand because all cars by the year of 2035 have to be manufactured as electrical vehicles, and NIO are predicted to be one of the #1 leaders of the electrical vehicle space within China, right? So if they have even a small percentage of that market cap, we can see an astronomical growth in this share price from where it is currently sitting at $56. I do believe that by the end of the year, NIO is going to achieve a triple digit, which means they are going to pass and surpass way past the $100 price range. I think we're going to be looking at more of a $150 to $200 stock by the end of 2021. I really look forward to coming back on this video in 12 months time and comparing to see where my analysis is and to see whether I was correct on this analysis. Of course, we also have a lot of big catalysts coming up for NIO. They did just announce on NIO Day that they have their ET7, which is their new model. This is going to be partnered with NVIDIA. Guys, these companies are partnering with one of the top artificial intelligence companies in the world. NVIDIA is massive, it is everywhere. They've been working with Amazon for years, so they are now going to be working with the #1 leaders. Even Tesla don't have this technology. They have an incredible company, and they use battery service as a swap technology. Now, what this allows them to do is it allows them to have reoccurring revenues. This is so different to other business lines and business models such as Tesla and Xpeng, because they don't have those reoccurring revenues. They have to always get those sales. But with NIO, all you have to do is start to pay a monthly subscription. NIO simply swap out your battery at a service providing for battery swap technology, and you're then paying them that monthly fee. So NIO are going to benefit in the long run because they are going to have millions of subscribers internationally around the world paying them those monthly fees. So this is only going to push the share price higher. NIO are building a mass amount of NIO houses and a NIO network. They have NIO food, they have NIO clothes, they have NIO houses. Guys, this is not just an EV company, this is a brand, a huge business model they want to take over. This company has a massive diverser of expertise, and they have a great business model. So what we always want to look for is, does the business fit what it's going into? And we also want to look for, does the business have a good CEO? Of course, William Li is an incredible guy. I think he's an absolute genius, what he has created, and he's managed to get the backing of the Chinese government, right? So when they nearly went bankrupt last year, the Chinese government stepped in and gave them a few $1 billion. And of course, the autonomous driving sector is meant to be trillions of dollars as an industry. NIO continue to expand their battery as a service swap technology. They are only increasing and amplifying the hours that their cars can drive on their roads. Right now they have a 1000 kilowatt hour battery, which is an incredible mileage of range. This company are one of the leaders and they are going to continue to lead in this sector moving forward. So I want you to put NIO on your radar. I think that we have nothing to worry about in the short term. If we do see any dips or pullbacks, I'm personally going to be loading up on this company for the long run. I want you guys to feel comfortable being a NIO shareholder because this company is going to be fire on the future. Guys, you need to understand that NIO is only going to grow. So if you're worried in the short-term volatility because prices fluctuation 5 to 10% a day, this is normal. Guys, in the market, things move up and down. But in the long run, NIO is only going to benefit because of the way that EV is set to dominate moving through the next decade. So guys, I really do hope that you enjoyed this video today. Make sure to give it a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in my next video for some more NIO content. Ciao.